Hi friend, today is 22nd December 2023. I today wanted to have a discussion one of my favorite method for doing hydroponic plantation, that is Kratky method. Why this is favorite for me? As because to set up this system, it is very easy to do this one. Actually, we need to tray some cocoa peat and the seeds. So trays are readily available in the local market, local shop. You can purchase it from there. And cocoa peat, you can go to any nursery and then collect it, or you can do online order for any leading e-commerce site. And seed, you can also find it in the nursery or anywhere. You can order it from online as well. So these are the three things, and basically when we start then there is no nutrition required. The nutrition is required after we are having germination and true leaves are coming out. So then we need the nutrition. So these are the basic things we need. No mechanical setup, no experience, nothing that you need if you wanted to do these things for the first time. And that is the main reason I like this one, and also the result that is actually giving to me for the leafy vegetables or leafy things, it is absolutely fabulous. So I wanted to show you these things so that you will be able to understand this one. You do not need to do many things or complex thing. Only simple way you can do this one. Let me demonstrate this one. Probably you will be able to understand that why it is actually one of my favorite way to do the hydroponic farming. So showcase this one. Actually, this is, if you see, this is the coriander, dhania, and if you see this one, this is the mint or pudina, and this is red shak or lal shak, we usually mention in Bengali. So I actually took these three different things. So basically this already grown, and this is germination. After germination we are having, and this is little better than the germination. So I wanted to show this one. So this is one of the tray. This is the porous tray. We would like to prefer this one. If you see this one, if you are able to see, this is porous tray. And so basically the cocoa peat within, and if you see inside that there is another tray where we put our nutrition solution. Let me show you this one. Why this one? So basically this is going to have three root zones. So one of the root zone is within this cocoa peat, and one of the root zone is this air medium. When between these two tray some air gap is there, so that is another root zone. And the next one is that when the root is actually merged within the solution, that's also another root zone. So basically this is three layer root zone system that we are going to have it within this system. Let me show you how the roots are actually grown for this one, if you are able to see. So these are the roots. Actually I'm facing this difficulty to showcase you, it's too heavy. If you are able to see, these are the roots actually. Okay, let me put it. So this actually, it's a fabulous smell that actually I'm getting from this coriander. I am not touching and I'm not doing anything on that portion, but the smell that I'm getting is awesome. And if you see this one, so basically you'll be able to see that portion. I'm trying to show that whether the leaf. So if you see, so no root yet come out of this thing. So we are expecting roots to come out. Okay, now coming back to this item. So we usually mention these things, the Kratky method. And if you are able to see this coriander, it's going to give you some good leaves throughout this winter season. So you will be, if you start doing this right now, probably you will be get it within 1 month, this kind of situation. And why actually one of the favorite? It is cost effective, as because if you wanted to do these things in large scale, you can buy it in large, and probably it will help you to reduce the cost. And coming back to the nutrients, you can find the nutrients in the leading e-commerce site, and this nutrients is also available with us. You can contact us for this one, and we can give it to you. But if you wanted to prefer it from somewhere else, or you wanted to do these things, you can do it by your own. So that is why actually I'm mentioning these things, that even if I'm going to give you this demonstration, you do not need to depend on me. You can do it by your own, and you can do it by your own time, and get some pleasant surprise for your family with this way. And you will also feel a good about when the germination, when these plants are growing, and all those things are actually happening. And coming back to other thing, I believe that you are going to enjoy this one. And our thing is that we wanted to encourage you people to do this kind of harvesting at your home, and you can take good food and take good value of that things without having any kind of pesticide or any kind of chemical fertilizer that we actually used to get. So thank you for watching this, and thank you all, and I will try to prepare some more this kind of video to help you guys do hydroponic way of harvesting. Thank you once again. Bye.